I know, cold email sounds outdated. Everyone's like, bro, just post on LinkedIn or just let the client come to you. But let's be honest, if you're new, unknown, or want results faster, cold emailing is still one of the best way to get clients. Here's the thing though, cold email don't suck. Bad emails suck. And 99% of people are sending straight up copy-paste cringe to inboxes that already hate sales. So today, I'm gonna show you the exact cold email template that got me a 50% reply rate. Even when I got 0 personal brand, 0 testimonials, and no fancy websites. If you have ever sent cold emails and still heard nothing but silence, this video will save you from getting ghosted again.
Why most cold emails fail.
Let's start with why most people get it wrong. Here's a cold email I used to send.
Hi, I'm Ankit. I'm a passionate video editor with 2 years of experience. I offer affordable rates and can help you edit your videos. Please find my portfolio attached. Looking forward to hearing from you.
Now tell me, would you respond to that? This email is about me. It's begging. It has no hook, no relevance, no curiosity. It's like walking into someone's house uninvited and asking for a job. What people forget is, cold email is a conversation starter, not a sales page. And here's the truth. Clients don't care about your experience. They care about how you solve a problem. Once I understood that shift, my emails completely changed. Let's break down the template that changed the game for me. It has just 4 parts, and yeah, it works because it's stupidly simple.
Number 1, subject line. No click, no open.
You don't need to be clever. You just need to sound like a real human. Here are 3 subject lines that have worked for me. Quick idea for your content. Saw your coaching site, thought I'd reach out. Video idea for your next launch. Why do they work? They are relevant, they hit at value, and they don't sound like a marketing newsletter from 2009.
Avoid anything like, double your revenue in 14 days. Freelance editor available. Proposal for collaboration.
That just screams, mark as spam. Number 2, the opener. Make it about them. This is where you build trust, literally in 1 sentence. Here's how. Hey Sarah, I just watched your video on how to build a coaching offer. Love the part where you said, sell clarity, not chaos. Super sharp. And boom, 1 sentence. And you have already shown you know who they are. You have done your homework. You are not a bot. Now comes the part where you present why you are in their inbox. Here's my go-to format. I help business coaches get real leads through their YouTube channel. Notice your YouTube channel. And I think a small change to editing could bring you more views and leads. Happy to explain in 60 seconds if you are open to it. Notice what's missing. No resume, no hairstyle links, no pressure. Just clear, easy to understand value. This part is where most people either oversell or undersell. Oversell, I guarantee I can double your conversion.
Undersell. I'm looking to gain experience and would love a chance.
Stay in the middle. Be confident, be real.
4th, the close. Make replying easy.
Always close to something low pressure. Here's what I say. Would it be cool if I sent over a 1-minute Loom video with a quick idea? Totally free. Just figured it might help. Why it works? It feels casual. It's specific 1 minute. And you are offering first, not asking. You're not asking for a meeting. You're asking for a permission to show value. And when they say yes, now you have earned the right to pitch. How to find the right people? Now this is where most beginners mess up. They write a perfect email and send it to random people. Your emails is only as good as your target. Here's what I do. Use tools like Apollo.io or LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Search by niche. For me, I look for business coaches, consultants, or creators who's doing regular content. If they posted something last week, they're live. If they haven't posted in 6 months, move on. Even 10 super targeted emails can outperform 100 lazy ones, dealing with no responses. Let's keep it real. Even with this killer template, some people won't reply. It's not because your offer sucks, it's because they're busy or your timing off. Here's what you do. Wait 2 to 3 days and then send a short follow-up like,
Hey John, just wanted to bump this in case it slipped through. So happy to send over that quick idea.
If they don't reply after 2 to 3 follow-ups, move on. Don't chase, attract. This is my first success email story. I still remember my first real response. I sent this template to a coach on Instagram who was like posting weekly videos, and had zero editing. Like the content was great, but the delivery was basic. I sent her a 1 minute Loom video showing how could a reel look with the light editing, and boom, she replied the same day. That one client led to 2 referrals, and I'll start it with one good email. If you have been getting ghosted, stop thinking that your service is a problem. It's probably just your messaging. This template isn't magic, but it is proven. Use it, personalize it, and stay consistent. So yeah, the comment box is open. Go there and ask whatever question you want to ask about cold emailing. The template and the timing, how to do it, what software you should use, and everything you can ask, okay? So bye-bye. See you in the next one. I'm gonna be consistent on YouTube. From this video, it's been like 2 or 3 months or 4 months maybe I didn't upload any videos, but now I'm gonna be consistent. I promise you guys.